Right, I'm just doing this as a little video to help anybody. See that? Ordinary DVD, it's out of use, it's a knackered one. It did have something on it, I'm not going into details. Look at that. You stick it on top of your cup, air can get in and out and heat can get in and out and whatever, but you can carry it around everywhere. Now, when I'm walking around, I spill every bloody thing, you see. But, as you can see there, it's ideal. Now, if anybody hasn't thought of it, just grab an old CD, an old DVD you don't use anymore, stick it on there. The only thing you have to watch is, like, if you're carting it any distance or you're leaving it on any length of time, that it drips, as you can see. Obviously, all the heat on it, but you can fill your cup to the bloody top and you can get away with murder. So, just an idea. It does leave a ring round top at cup, like, but, you know, so you will have to scrub it for next use, but there you go. That's just a little idea for anybody that fancies not spilling your drink anymore. Or you can use the ghost discs as well, but they're a bit thinner, so you have a chance of burning your thumb. Well, it's not too bad really. And actually, to be honest with you, sometimes you can get away with walking around the suction on it or whatever. It holds it in place anyway, so you don't really always have to put much pressure on. But it's an idea all the same, isn't it? Anyway, all the best. Enjoy your coffee, your tea, or whatever you're taking. Yes, it probably does work with a pint glass, but I've not drank for a long time. Anyway.